Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off live caption on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to turn off live caption on your iPhone is go ahead and open the settings app. Once you open the settings app, you want to scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to accessibility and then select it. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page, just keep scrolling until you get to live captions and then click on it. Now if live captions is enabled here, then you should see microphone listening to everything you say on your iPhone like this. Now to turn this off, you need to go back to the settings on your iPhone and then disable this. And that is it. So if you also have the live caption in FaceTime enabled, so all you simply need to do is disable this live caption on your FaceTime so that each time you have a FaceTime conversation, the live captions will be disabled. And that is it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.